Okay, so when you're unpackaging the cooling fins to install them on the substation, there's going to be a total of 8 3/4-inch nut and bolts, 4 at each end. In between the flanges on each end, there will be a rubber gasket. You'll need to loosen the 8 bolts and remove them. Keep track of the washer, or the rubber gasket. So you'll have the rubber gasket from each end. We've already attached a guide rope to the bottom of the cooling fin to control it as we lift it, because it is quite heavy. Remember that this part right here, this part that has the indent in the fins, it's different than the other end down there that doesn't have an indent. This goes at the bottom flange. This here is installed in the top flange. That's how you tell it apart and know which direction it needs to go. We'll attach our lifting straps to the lifting lug on the top of the fins. Make sure that it's good and secure. And bring the forklift operator in. Charles, come in, forward. Lean back. All right, go ahead and start coming up. While he's lifting up, we've got a man at the other end that's controlling the movement, keeping it from running into anything as you lift it up. It's going to drag a little bit as you're lifting it up, so you want to try and make sure that it's dragging across a smooth or even surface so you don't tear it up. Otherwise, you'll have to find some way of keeping it from dragging as you're lifting it. You've got enough personnel to have one on each side as you're turning to keep it from swinging freely. That's optimal. But also, because when you're coming in to install it, it's going to be quite close to the other fin. So, you know, the more control you have over it, the better off you are. Another thing that's very important is you only want one person at a time telling the forklift operator, crane operator, whatever it is you have it hanging off of. So it may be him at times, it may be me at times, but at no time are we both giving the lift operator a command. It just keeps from the confusion. Come on.
Just come in first. You're going to end up coming up, but come in first.
Keep your hands out from in between the two fins as it's coming in, because they are quite close. You can see how close they are right here. Very close together.
Easy.
Now that it's installed, we can take the guide. We can take the guide rope off. total of 8 fins. 4 go on the one side, 4 go on the other side. It's the same procedure for each fin.